Welcome back to DataShark Academy. In this lesson, let me show you a trick. Using this, you can quickly test your Kafka applications. So far, you had manually entered the data for your console producer, but we can automate this using Linux utilities. Here, as you can see on the screen, we are going to use Linux cat command to pipe the data from a file into our Kafka producer and then consume it on the other end. Okay. Again, this is good for testing your application, but not for real production implementation. Okay, so let's see this in action now. So let me bring the terminal up. So I have a file here called employees, and it has about 20 records. Okay, and I'm going to send these records to my Kafka producer. All right. All right. So first we need to create a new topic. And we call this topic my topic. All right, enter. So a new topic is created. All right, let's go ahead and start a consumer first. So I'm changing the tab and I have named the tabs. So first tab was source. This is the source of the data. Then I have a producer tab and a consumer tab. All right, so I have a topic now. So let's start the consumer now. Okay, Kafka console consumer, and this will take bootstrap server. That will be sandbox, autumnbugs.com, port 9092. Okay, and I want to read from topic called my topic. Okay, and also want to read from beginning. All right, so now consumer has started, but there's no data. So let's send the data to the producer now. So let's start the producer now, and we want to send the data from the file using cat command into this producer. So the way to do that is, first we need to do a cat on the file. It's on the root directory. It's called employees, and I'm gonna pipe to Kafka console producer. Okay, and my broker will be sandbox. Okay, 9092, and I want to read, I want to send the data to topic called my topic. Okay, so let's start now. All right, so you don't see anything on the screen. Basically what happened was file was sent and Kafka producer consumed that file and sent over to the Kafka cluster, and from there you have a Kafka consumer running which is reading that topic. So if I go to the consumer tab now, you should see the data. See, so now we can see the data coming in the consumer tab. So again, this is good for testing your Kafka applications really quickly, but not for real production implementations. Okay, so try this out on your end and let me know if you have any questions. I'll meet you in the next class.